In today's video, we're diving into Squarespace so you can decide whether it's the right platform for your website. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you're trying to figure out which website builder to use, Squarespace is definitely one of the tools you've seen recommended. The platform has built a reputation for beautiful designs and simplicity, but it's not necessarily the right choice for every type of website. So in this video, we're going to break down what Squarespace actually is, the core features it offers, all of the pros and cons that you should know before signing up, and most importantly, who it's best suited for and who might want to choose a different platform instead. So let's get into it. So let's start off with the basics and talk about what Squarespace is. So Squarespace is an all-in-one website builder that allows you to create and host websites without needing to know how to code or manage any technical infrastructure. Instead of installing software or configuring hosting manually, Squarespace gives you a dashboard where you can design pages, publish content, manage products, and track website performance all in one place. The platform includes built-in hosting, design templates, e-commerce tools, blogging capabilities, and basic marketing features. Because everything is integrated together, users don't have to worry about installing plugins or maintaining servers, which is one of the main reasons that Squarespace really appeals to beginners, creatives, and small business owners who want a professional website without dealing with a complicated setup. Okay, now let's dive into some of the key features, starting off with templates and website design. So one of the most recognizable parts of Squarespace is its design system. The platform is known for offering really amazing modern templates that look polished right out of the box, which just makes it easier for people to launch a good-looking website even if they don't have design experience. Templates are organized by industry categories such as photography, consulting, e-commerce, restaurants, and portfolios, which just helps users start with a layout that already fits their type of business. Each template is responsive, meaning it automatically adjusts to different screen sizes so your website looks good on desktops, tablets, and phones. Within the editor, you can customize colors, fonts, spacing, and page layouts using visual controls instead of writing code, which again just makes the design process so much more approachable for beginners. Next is the drag and drop page builder. So Squarespace uses a visual editing system that allows you to build pages by adding and rearranging content sections. These sections can include text blocks, images, videos, galleries, buttons, forms, and then other common website elements. Instead of building a page from scratch line by line, you add pre-designed sections and customize them to match your brand. This approach allows you to build pages quickly while still keeping the design consistent across your site. You can preview how your pages will look on different devices before publishing, which is really powerful because most people are looking at websites on their phones. I know that's not what we want to hear, but that's the truth. So again, you always want to make sure that it looks good not only on desktop, but even iPad and phones as well. Okay, next we're going to talk about the e-commerce features. If you want to sell products or services, Squarespace also includes built-in e-commerce functionality. You can create product pages, upload product images, set prices, manage inventory, and accept payments directly through your website. The platform supports both physical products and digital downloads, which makes it possible to sell things like ebooks, templates, artwork, or online resources. Squarespace also allows you to offer discount codes, gift cards, and product variations such as different sizes or colors. Payment processing can be handled through integrations with providers like Stripe and PayPal, allowing customers to complete purchases securely through your website. Next is blogging and content management. So Squarespace is also a solid option for people who want to run a blog or a content-driven website. The blogging system allows you to write posts, schedule them for future publishing, organize articles using categories and tags, and include media such as images, videos, and audio clips. The editor is designed to feel similar to writing in a document editor, which just makes publishing content simple even for people who have never managed a blog before. Squarespace also includes built-in analytic tools that allow you to see what pages are getting traffic, where visitors are coming from, and how readers are interacting with your content. Next is marketing tools. So beyond building pages, Squarespace includes several tools designed to help you promote your website and grow your audience. The platform has built-in email marketing features that allow you to design newsletters and send campaigns to your subscriber list without using a separate email service. You can collect email addresses through forms and pop-ups placed throughout your site. Social media integrations also allow you to connect accounts and display social feeds or share new content automatically. These marketing features help simplify the process of promoting your website without needing multiple external tools. Next is integrations and extensions. So Squarespace also actually supports integrations with several third-party services that extend what your website can do. For example, you can connect scheduling tools for booking appointments, integrate shipping providers for e-commerce stores, or even link membership systems that allow you to sell access to exclusive content. While Squarespace does offer an extensions marketplace, it's important to note that the number of integrations is smaller compared to open platforms like WordPress. However, the available integrations cover most common needs for small businesses, creators, and service providers. Okay, moving on to customer support and learning resources. So another feature that often gets pretty overlooked when choosing a website platform is support. Squarespace provides customer support through email and live chat, along with a large knowledge base filled with guides, tutorials, and videos. The documentation walks through common tasks such as creating pages, adding products, and customizing design settings. For people who are building a website for the first time, having access to clear support resources can make a massive difference when problems come up, or even just when you need help understanding a specific feature. Okay, now for the pros and cons. So Squarespace's biggest strength is simplicity combined with strong visual design. The templates look very professional, the editing interface is very easy to understand, and most features are built directly into the platform instead of requiring plugins or extra software. This means you can launch a website quickly and manage everything from one dashboard. Squarespace also handles hosting, security, and updates automatically, which reduce the technical maintenance required to actually keep your website running. However, there are some trade-offs. The design system gives you flexibility with certain limits, but you cannot completely rebuild layouts or customize functionality as freely as you could on open platforms like WordPress, for example. The number of integrations is also smaller compared to more developer-focused platforms, and there is no free plan available for long-term use. Now we're going to talk about pricing. If you want to save 10% off, you can use our link down in the description and use code MyFirstWebsite in all caps at checkout. So they do have a couple different options here. You can pay monthly or annually. I'm going to go over the annual plans because this is where you're going to get the best price possible. You can save up to 36%, plus you can save an extra 10% using our code MyFirstWebsite at checkout. So they've got a couple different plans here. They've got the basic, the core, the plus, and the advanced. The basic plan is $16 a month paid annually before the 10% discount, so it'll be even less than that. With this, you can build your website with templates. You get a 1-year custom domain, Squarespace AI, up to 2 contributors, and then you can accept payments, but they are the highest card rates. Example, credit card rates are 2.9% plus 30 cents. Digital content and memberships are about 7%, so just some things to keep in mind. You, of course, can sell products and invoices and sell content and memberships, but again, these fees are something to take into account. Then they've got the core plan, which is $23 per month billed annually, and that's before that 10% discount. With this, you get everything in the basic plan, but you get unlimited contributors, advanced website analytics, complete customization with CSS and JavaScript. You also get a professional email from Google Workspace. And then again, the credit card fees do decrease a bit. So the online store goes from 2% to 0%, and the digital content and memberships goes from 7% to 5%. You can, of course, sell products and services with a few extras like professional shipping and tax services, sales funnel analytics, and then API integrations. Then they've got the Plus plan, which is $39 per month billed annually before that extra 10% off with our code. With this, you get everything in the core plan. The main difference here is you are lowering your payment processing fees. So the credit card goes down, the digital content and membership transaction goes down as well. Then they've got the advanced plan, which is $99 per month paid annually. Again, that's before the 10% discount. With this, you get everything in the Plus plan, but you get the lowest payment processing fees and their most advanced e-commerce tools. Okay, so choose the plan that best fits your needs. You can always start with a lower plan and then go ahead and increase when you need to or when your business is growing and you want the lower transaction fees. Now, is Squarespace for you? So Squarespace is a really strong option for people who want a visually appealing website that's simple to manage without dealing with technical complexity. It works really great for portfolios, personal brands, small business websites, blogs, and creators who want an attractive online presence without spending weeks learning web development. The platform is also useful for entrepreneurs who want to combine a website, blog, and online store in one place. Now, on the other hand, if you need extremely advanced customization, large number of integrations, or full control over the technical structure of your website, you might find platforms more like WordPress or more flexible in the long run. I know how overwhelming it can feel trying to choose the right website platform when there's so many options out there. The best choice usually comes down to how much control you want versus how simple you want the setup to be. If you want to explore Squarespace yourself and see how the editor and templates work, you can actually get started for free using everything are linked down below. And again, don't forget to use code MyFirstWebsite at checkout for an extra 10% off. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your website with simple tools and clear step-by-step tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.